Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to use navbar to show the live notification on your lock screen or a status bar on your Samsung S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 version. By default, when you lock your device, you can see the navbar at the bottom middle on your Samsung device. So you need to first enable it on your device. So to enable it, open the app drawer on your Samsung device. Tap the settings app. Here you can search the navbar or scroll down until the lock screen and AOD option. So tap on a lock screen and AOD. Now here you can find the navbar. So tap on it on your device. Here you can see check the information you need right now and start essential features without unlocking your phone. Means you can see this type of navbar on your lock screen. So you can customize the navbar. See you can see the live notification for Google Finance, spots from Google, Media Player, Google Maps, Samsung Health, clock, voice recorder, Samsung Notes. So this is the all available option. You can see the live notification on the lock screen or a status bar when you unlock your device. So let's see with example, like here we use the Google Maps enable and a clock feature. So we go to the calendar or a Google Map, like we select the clock option. Here we select stopwatch. Now tap on a start button. Now when you go to the home screen, you can see when you lock your device, you can see the stopwatch on your lock screen. Also when you unlock it, when you unlock on your device, just tap on the status bar to show the now bar feature on your device. Now let's see the another example with the Google Maps. So we open the Google Map on my device. So tap on the Google Maps. Now enter any location. So here we select any location like this option on my phone. Now tap on a start button on my device. Now go to the home screen, and when we lock my device, you can see both the Google Map. Just swipe like this to show the both option on a live. Just tap on it again to exit it on your device. So you can see both option here, Google Map on your device or a notification like this on your device.
Avoids a road closure on Bath Circle and road closures on Sardar Patel Ring Road.
So
You are on the fastest route.
you can
You should
easily
reach your
set it.
destination by 12:40. Head south.
Now we exit the notification. So you can see this type of live notification on your lock screen when you just tap on it to show the detail info. Also when you unlock it, you can find it in the status bar. Just tap on it to show on the status bar. So you can easily customize it using the same setting. You can use the spots from Google option to set your favorite team. Just follow the team you want to show the live notification, live match score on your device. Like here you can select the cricket, football tournament, basketball, American football, baseball, hockey, rugby. So you can find the list of all sports, different sports category or also different teams available on your device. So just select the option, like here we select the NBA Cup. Now you can find the list of teams. Just follow the team you want to show the live notification score, live score on your college on display. After that, tap on the finish. So whenever this live match available, you can find the live match score on your lock screen like this. So quite easy to enable the navbar on your device to show the live notification on your lock screen on the show the notification in the status bar. That's it. Like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.